Chibai wale Charlie Kirk chu William Anita ti chuan nimin lam kan ti don nge ni USA ni som ni pakhat dar som pakhata ama hriat rengna program hman ania chu ke ni India ram ne na kan tai ma chuan thotan jing dariat le chan vevel bor kha ania State Farm Stadium Arizona zingkar dariat vel bor atangin gate hon chan ania mi puitam tak anin tlara he ceremony chim tur hian report dang dang hi ai nang lo nual maya Fox News son mi nuai ni chuang pungkho mangin an soya athenin mi singkwa sanga te athenin nuai chuang ani ti te anom boka amaro chu mi pui an pungkhom thanem hle mi mal in vuina chuan mi mal pual hun man na chuan an pun khom nem ber tu mani ti in an soi nge nge ani he program Charlie asun na hun mi pui nuai te lina an man na hian US President Donald Trump tele mi pui mo dang dang te po an tel nuala ven himna pon lam le chung lama a khau turu hle ani chuti chung po chuan he president tele mi poi mo te thu soina hmuna hian sniper bulletproof anti dar thalang in a hual vela ka andi lo nan an thu soina hmun hi bulletproof dar thalang thataka hual chu vekani he huna mi pui pung khom te chuan trong trai rol na hun te an manga tin Charlie sun na thu mi sang sang soite ngai thla in hun an manga ri ti chuan anu pui hian thu charo pui tak mai asoya mi te thinlung ne em tu ani.
On the afternoon of September 10th, I arrived at a Utah hospital to do the unthinkable, to look directly at my husband's murdered body. I saw the wound that ended his life. I felt shock, I felt horror, and a level of heartache that I didn't even know existed. But there was something else too. Even in death, I could see the man that I love. I also saw on his lips the faintest smile, and that told me something important. It revealed to me a great mercy from God in this tragedy. Charlie didn't suffer. Even the doctor told me. It was something so instant that even if Charlie had been shot in the operating room itself, nothing could have been done. No agony. One moment Charlie was doing what he loved, arguing and debating on campus, fighting for the gospel and truth in front of a big crowd, and then he blinked and saw his savior in paradise.
Erika hian September ni som chunulam khan kala tongang tipo karin ngai lo thil ka tonga dam do ina ka pasal ruang ka muwa at troka an ka na hliam te ka muwa tina mel te ka mangai thi ka muwa itena soi chawatin helai poi mo da umaya soi chu doctor te soi dan chuan Charlie hian na atur lawa hengma har sat nai mo manga kha an ka rual khan athi ngal mai ani engma amang an na emo nat na emo tur lovin akal ngala nei ti in an shila athil ngai nat ber pathian thu shila midang te shilfia college campus chunga midang te ne na debate an bot sai lai te midang te pathian thu shilfia mol line pathian thu shil mol line amita khapa a pathian tok turin akal der mai ti na soini
In front of a big crowd, and then he blinked. He blinked and saw his savior in paradise. And all the heavenly mysteries were revealed to him. God's love continued to be revealed to me in the days that followed. Past 10 days after Charlie's assassination, we didn't see violence. We didn't see rioting. We didn't see revolution. Instead, we saw what my husband always prayed he would see in this country. We saw revival.
Hey Charlie thina wang hin mi tam tak an thin rim an ril runa ti kan hriat vek kha chu ti ni lai chon he anu pui hian ni som liam ta chung khan kan ram chunga hian buai na chuak emo tharum tho na emo midang te tina emo khang mi pui na poyan khoi na ang chi kha he thila wang hian a thleng lo revolution po ek ma thleng lo thil thleng zo ke ro chu Charlie tong try na revival a thleng ani ati athina wang hian harna a thleng me kani America ram mai poni lowa UK ate poni aram dang dang ate poni midang te ati har me kani pathian lama he hian han soitel kherna thin chan po chu ama lam kuma khan kan la George Floyd ta chungchang kha kan la shevekanga Black Lives Matter chungchang khan ta khan thi abora la ha thenin audience ti a thenin police nan ti hlum ge ni ette ti ani kha thila khan buaina a chuak na sem em mai tharum thon le dor rokte thlengna se em ema kha thil le na te khin kha ani pakhat ve bok thin ani he tun tuma thil thleng hi ti chun heng ba ka soi chun zom bok chu mi puite vai khat ma le tong trai ngai lo tong trai lai te kan hu mi pui khola ya pung kho ma tong trai ho te kan hu mi a vai khat na na biakin a in khom te char service akal ve ta te kan hu ani ati ni
That young man on the cross, our Savior said, Father, forgive them, for they not know what they do. That man, that young man, I forgive him. I forgive him because it was what Christ did and is what Charlie would do. The answer to hate is not hate. The answer we know from the gospel is love and always love. Love for our enemies and love for those who persecute us.
Khan kapa ngaidam ron thil ti hian threlawari ti in ama ti hlum tu turte ama kheng bet tu te po atong trai sak chuan khatlangwal lo pang tak kha ka ngaidam ari ti in trap zoi zoi re soya tin hi iswa pon ati ani tin Charlie po khan adu da Charlie adu dan ngei po ani ang chuwang chon ka ngaidam ani ke ni kanin zirtir na chung Christian te zirtir na chori mer ma manga ila nang ma hotu te ju tong trai sakro ti te aron soi chho hian mitam tak ril ru ane khop maya mitam tak thin lung dek zar maya tin at ka plum tu pa ngai po khan alo eninarin oma haril ru thak dang lam dorin arin omani in ngai dam na thuka hlu hi omlo aro pui tak seta ti chuan hei zo na lo om ta chu mitam takina an zo na lo chuak ta chu Taylor Robinson kha a chuak mai gem a tur tu berina angai dam tak sia chuan anu pui ani a ko puina angai dam tak sia chuan zela tang chua zelena ni mai gem ti pol an oma a om thawa zona om takani amai ro chu kan hria da ta na poi mo chu court tina thutluk na asiam konga chuan he ngai dam na hian a tur tu tena an ngai dam na hian kongro thui takasu entirnan thitura shrimna an phut ang chi te thitura an ti ang chi te thilovin ei chu hremna dang zok ina hremna na thei ber ang ber dang zok pek ni ro se an ti thei turang chia khan kongro asu em decision khami thi le dam in karang chi khanga kha chuan kongro asu viau amaro chu chung ani lawa chuan a chua zalen lo chung changa te a hremna ti nep dan konga te kongro asu thui lu tuk lo ni ngai dam an tur tu ten ngai dam wang riwat khan hi khapoi khoi tu le state aram in khin na ram dan le khapoi khoi tu in khin na kha ani to hi India dara po ani thau thina he tuar tunu berin victim ber apnupuin ngaihdam ma sila ani chuna ngaihdam ani maya poi khoina khana ngaidam a hrethiam ani maya aba khachu courta state laka apoi khoina kha khat Robinson khan at shemna torturang te po torangai thoni amaro chu soitong khan heti nga ngaidam ani taxi chuan thitura shemna apum pel ngei chuan arin omani hi apoi mo khop maya hemi thil promote hit apoi mo khop mai mizoram a hian a boi thla khop maya mi tam ber hian poi kan khoye mo mi thil kan ti sual po hian danina a ken telang chi danina thila ti ma hian kan lo ching fel mai zela kan lo ti fel mai zela ngai dam kan in dila kan in ching fel to kan ti mai zela ni poi khoina lian tham de ulek ang chi le har san na sang sang a point hei hian a hrin chu chu dan hi thil ti theilowa kan siamani dan hi tangkai lowa kan siamani takina enge mo lo thlenga dan kan nei ven lom ni dan chu ti khati kan ti ni dan hi lo lowa kan siam kan lo in ngai damani po in dan an bo chian na dan an poi sak lo na khang kha chu torve theini tin kan ngai dam na na chu na shrem na po ani dan tur ang nep ani ve zel thin rim tru na chumi chu kan phu te an ti run nen khan adang lam ti kha hriaila hi india rama po hman ani thawni kan in ngai dam zunga court thleng lo le dan police te thleng lowa kan lo chin fel zung hian dan enga ma kan ngai lowa dan hi kan poi savak lowa dan hi tangkai lo taka kan chua thin ani ti te po hi kan zir chu poi mo khopin ka ria.
The world needs Turning Point USA. It needs a group that will point young people away from the path of misery and sin. It needs something that will lead people away from hell in this world and in the next. It needs young people pointed in the direction of truth and beauty. And so I promise you today, every part of our work will become greater.
Ale Charlie thina chuan khovela horang ing chiang hle maya Donald Trump pon remna le mon awanga martar ti in apuang nge ani he a thina hian tuna hian America rama har tharna athen meka ram sang sanga tepo apakai zela pathian thuan bosan na salutuk to ron kai har turin pathian in manrua aron mang ati lo thei lo ani